Thanks, Ridy. That was close. It's easy to get sleepy and distracted after a long day of work or when you're driving long distance. That's why Ridy alerts you when you're getting sleepy, or when you start checking your phone and counting your likes. Ridy does everything to keep you focused on driving. Is it reading your mind? No, it's reading your face. Using face tracking technology to detect when your eyes are not on the road. Don't worry, it's completely private. No internet connection needed, and it works day and night to keep you safe. Plus, it's so quick and easy to install, your grandma can nail it. Okay, Grandma. It's also great for professional drivers, truck drivers, young drivers, and parents. So unless you have a metal rock band to keep you awake, get Ridy. Do you guys do birthday parties? Created by a team of experienced engineers, Ridy is fully developed, tested, and ready for manufacturing. Join our crowdfunding campaign and let's make our roads safer.
Please watch the road ahead. Please watch the road ahead.